Good afternoon, crypto millionaires. I'm Jessica in our main studio with today's top XRP headlines. The XRP market is buzzing, with the token surging over 5% in the past 24 hours, driven by bullish institutional activity and a wave of investor optimism. But that's not all. Legal clarity from a long-awaited Ripple SEC settlement has ignited trading volumes and fresh enterprise adoption. For more on today's XRP price rally and what's fueling this momentum, I'll hand off to our market analyst Raul, who's standing by in the newsroom. Raul, what's the latest?
Thanks, Jessica. The current XRP rally sees the token trading at $3.28, a 5% jump since yesterday and hitting mid-session highs of $3.30 before some late profit taking. What's driving this? Analysts say on-chain data tells the story. Over $32 million in XRP has moved out of exchanges in the last 24 hours, a strong signal that institutional buyers are accumulating. Technical indicators remain bullish, with breakout forecasts eyeing a potential 12% move up to a $3.67 target if resistance at $3.30 is breached. This positive sentiment is amplified by 63,000 plus impressions on social platforms, while 24-hour trading volumes have risen by 15%. Investors seem optimistic that if XRP holds support at $3.25, the stage is set for another leg up. Back to you in the studio, Jessica.
Thank you, Raul. Of course, no major rally comes without risks, and the XRP community is watching closely as mixed signals emerge in whale activity. Despite ongoing optimism and bullish forecasts, major transfers of XRP to exchanges this morning have some traders bracing for possible short-term volatility, even as analysts eye new highs. For a closer look at these developments and what they mean for the market, we go live to our Lakeside correspondent, Rachel. Rachel, what's happening on the ground?
Hi, Jessica. The excitement here is matched only by the uncertainty rippling through the XRP community. While today's rally saw XRP break out of a key downtrend and test resistance at 333, whale behavior is starting to cast a shadow. According to blockchain trackers, two massive transactions, 33.4 million XRP worth $108 million, were sent to major exchanges, a classic precursor to potential sell pressure. Exchange reserves are also on the rise, pointing to possible profit-taking as the token approaches overbought levels. Still, technicals are strong. Traders highlight an inverted head and shoulders pattern projecting a 380 target, and momentum indicators like the RSI suggest there's bullish room to run. The market bias remains long, but with $170 million staked in long positions versus $25 million in shorts, any sudden sentiment shift could trigger a sharp correction. Jessica, it's a market that's both charged with optimism and alert to risk.
Thank you, Rachel, for that detailed report. To recap, XRP is riding high on institutional optimism and legal resolution, fueling hopes for new all-time highs. But as ever in crypto, traders are reminded to watch for sudden reversals as big holders move funds and profit-taking picks up. That's all for today's XRP Spotlight. What's your price target for XRP, and how are you navigating these market moves? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for tomorrow's breaking updates from the world of crypto. For Crypto Millionaires, I'm Jessica. Stay smart, stay invested.